Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Ishita and I make a lot of videos about fashion must-haves, shopping recommendations, budget shopping hauls and a lot of lifestyle vlogs as well. I would love for you guys to stick around and watch my other content and videos on my channel homepage. And if you like what you see, do hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. Now in today's video, I'm going to be trying out 5 trends that I thought I could never pull off because I thought वो मेरा style ही नहीं है. But the other day I was on Myntra and I came across some really good outfits that made me think in trends को try करना तो बनता है. So I went through all the new and fresh trendy stuff and collection that they have on the website. I shortlisted my 5 top trends and I thought, you know what, let's just go for it. And I'm so glad I did because all of these look really good on me and I'm pleasantly surprised. So I can't wait to share them with you guys. Let's jump right into it. So the first trend that I decided to try out was the slip dress trend. Now I've seen a lot of girls wear them. These are basically thin shoulder strap dresses like this, which look like a slip. That's what they call slip dresses. They have slits on the side, not always, but this one does. And this one I picked out from H&M. It's a very pretty floral print maxi dress. Slip dresses can be maxi or midi or even mini. For the longest time, I thought it didn't flatter my body because they tend to be body hugging, but I was wrong because these look really nice and I love how it fits. I really like the lace detailing. In fact, Myntra has a ton of options that you can pick out from with different prints, different colors, different lengths, whatever suits you best. I'm sure you'll find something for yourself. This is a trend. If you haven't tried yet, I would recommend trying it out for sure. Now the second trend was the oversized blazer trend, and I was always skeptical about trying it out, but I love how powerful and the bossy vibe that it gives. You can dress it up formally or casually. This blazer I picked out from H&M. It's a classic black blazer, but on Myntra you have 30 to 40, like over 40-50 brands that you can pick out blazers from depending on your budget. There are different colors that you can pick out from. I personally would suggest getting a black classic one because you can style it in so many different ways. I paired it up with denim shorts and a white tube top with sneakers to give it a very casual, chill vibe. But you can pair it with jeans or pants to give it a more formal look. In fact, you can also subscribe to the Myntra YouTube channel. They keep sharing some fashion and styling tips over there. And you might even spot me over there. So I'm going to drop their channel link in the description box for you guys. Do subscribe to their channel. Now, even though I'm a 90s kid, Y2K prints, which are now back in trend, have never really been my thing because my personal style has always been minimal, stylish and chic. So I like to wear my basic tops. But I found some really cute, quirky and cool, colorful Y2K printed tops on Myntra. The one that I'm wearing actually is from H&M and is a trendy Y2K print that you guys must have seen in a lot of places. Another top that I picked out was from a brand called De Facto and I really like the geometric print and it's a very nice neutral color that is in brown. You can go through tons of brands and a lot of abstract prints on Myntra that are basically giving you a lot of these quirky tops and I think they look really cute. It's always good to sort of like mix up your style once in a while and I'm glad I picked these out because I totally love them. Now the fourth trend that I wanted to try was the monochrome look and this is something that I've always wanted to give a try but I don't know why I just didn't end up doing it. But I found some really nice pieces on Myntra that I could put together to create a very bright and fresh monochrome look. I picked out this yellow top from the brand Sassafras and I'm going to pair it with these yellow jeans from Freakins. Personally, I don't imagine myself wearing this outfit ever, but fashion is all about trying new things and I'm super glad that I got these pieces together. I've also picked up 2 yellow earrings to add to the look. This one is from Forever 21 and these are from Urbanic, so I'll just see which one looks better with it. And to complete the look, I've added white flats to just add to the comfy vibe of this outfit. final trend that I picked out was print on print, and honestly, I would never wear it because I feel like when you wear two different prints together, there's just too much going on. But I happened to find something on Myntra which is two different prints, but when you put them together, it just looks so nice. It's basically a set of a top, a palazzo and a jacket which are of different prints and different colors, but when you wear them together it just looks so good. And like I said, with fashion it's all about trying new things, making bold choices. So I highly recommend hop onto Myntra, check out new stuff, because if you don't really try new things, you'll never know if they look good on you or not. So this wraps up the video, and these were 5 trends that I absolutely loved trying. You guys let me know in the comments down below which of these trends you like the most, and if there are any other trends that you wanted to personally try, let me know in the comments down below because I would love to know about that. Before I leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button, not just on my channel but also on Myntra, because like I said, they post a lot of fashion and styling tips over there which will be very helpful for you guys. Just telling you guys again, I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. That's it for today. I'm going to see you guys super soon.